To send money remotely, start by opening a web browser and typing in the website address, which is spelled out as Remitly, leading to the website remitly.com. This platform allows users to send and receive money from the United States online. Upon arrival, you will see options to log in or sign up, using your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, you can view your send money transfer history, refer friends, and access the welcome option. From there, you can use the settings or navigate to Remitly Express to initiate a transaction. The platform offers different speeds for transactions, including Remitly Economy, which takes a couple of days, and Remitly Express, which takes up to 4 hours to complete. Understanding these transaction speeds can be helpful in managing your transfers. Overall, accessing and utilizing the Remitly platform is a straightforward process, with options to download the app for free or continue using the website.